Start our lesson with a YouTube short.
Pick it up again. I'll try to get you to learn how to control that. It's getting there. It's getting there. Okay, you got it. You got it. We about to let that wheel stop. Hold up. Hold on. Hey, you got it. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. Yeah. Game time. Game time. Yeah. Just like that. Yeah. Y'all see that? Yeah. He did that. Yeah. That boy did that.
We're 45 seconds in now. Keep going. Push that. Let's go.
If the kid on the blue bike was able to hold that wheelie for 3,912 inches, how many feet did he travel? This is Mr. Ramirez, aka the Flamingo King, with another episode on how to divide multi-digit numbers by using partial quotients. Let's get into it. So the first thing we need to do is circle our numbers that we see in our problem. We have 3,912. I look for any other numbers. I don't see any, so let's go ahead and underline the question. How many feet did he travel? So one of the important math key terms that I need to box is going to be feet. It's what the answer requires. The question is asking for feet, even though they traveled in inches, so we want to go ahead and box that key term as well. That's going to be important. The first thing I notice is that inches and feet, those are not the same unit of measurements. So I need to analyze what feet and inches would mean in this problem. So I know that there are 12 inches in 1 foot. So that equals 1 foot. Go ahead and write that down. So 12 inches in 1 foot. And so that tells me that I am going to be dividing 3,912 divided by 12. So we'll start off by looking at how many times 12 can go into 3. You can't take any groups of 12 away from just 3, but in 39, you can take 3 groups. So let's go ahead and multiply by 3. 12 times 3 is 36. So I'm going to go ahead and write 36. I still have 2 spots with my place value here, so I'm going to add a 0 in the tens and a 0 in the ones, and I'm going to add those 2 zeros over here to my group of 3 to make groups of 300. So I took 300 groups of 12 away from our dividend 3,912. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract. 2 minus 0 leaves me 2, 1, and 39 minus 36 is going to be 3. So I have 312 left in my dividend. I'm going to go ahead and take out another group of, let's see, I think I'm going to take out 2 groups. 2 groups of 12, or 2 times 12, is going to be 24. I have 1 spot left with my place values in my ones column, so I'm going to go ahead and add a 0. And I'll bring that 0 to the amount of groups that I'm going to take out. So now I have 20 groups of 12 that I'm able to take out. That's going to be 240. Ooh, a little wonky there. 2 minus 0 is 2. 31 minus 24 is going to be 7. So now I have 72 left. I can take out, see, if I have 72 left, I can still take out 6 groups. I'm going to take out 6 groups because 12 times 6 is actually 72. Because I know 12 times 5 is 60 plus another 12 is 72. And look at that. We're going to have 0 as our 0 as our remainder. So that tells me that we'll have like whole feet. We won't have any inches left over. So 326. Remember, in our original word problem, it was feet. So this quotient is feet. 326 feet. I hope you enjoyed that YouTube short. I wonder what will challenge you today. But here's another episode with Mr. Ramirez, aka the Flamingo King, on how to divide multi-digit numbers by using partial quotients.